Good afternoon, students. It's absolutely ages since I've been invited here by Alex to talk to you. But jolly good show. It's a absolutely marvellous thing that he's let me come back. Yes, I've been having a beastly time during lockdown. The only thing that there was for me to do was to sit with the bottle of scotch and get tight. Yes, maybe watch a film on the television or in the home cinema in the castle. So I've been locked in for yonks, for absolutely yonks. Just getting Blotto in front of a screen. But recently I've been able to get out, and this is absolutely wonderful. I went into a pub the other day, but clearly the landlord was in a bit of a bait, because I hadn't been in there for yonks, and he said that I still owed him some spondulics. Absolute nonsense. What total tommy rot. What poppycock. But I was in a bit of a bind because I didn't have any cash in my pocket. I just had the money for one drink. So I went to see if I could sponge off anybody I knew who was there. This is a pretty seedy pub. It's not the sort of place that one would normally want to be seen, but it's cheap. And if it's cheap, then it's a wonderful place to go because money is always rather tight, you know. Anyway, I managed to find an old rugger chum of mine, and he's a real brick. Yes, and he was there with his ravishing girlfriend. Yeah, she was absolutely ravishing. And anyway, I managed to get him to buy me a drink and then invite me for sups on Friday night. Wow, that was absolutely wonderful. Anyway, as I said, this old rugger chum is an absolute brick, and I went to his house on Friday evening for the sups that he had asked me for. Now, he lives in a rather seedy neighbourhood. It's not really at the nicest of places. And there was a beastly smell coming from the brewery, but I was hungry, and a free dinner is a free dinner. So, by golly, I went in there and I had an absolutely wonderful time. There was an enormous amount of alcohol to drink, and I got absolutely blotto once more. And then after that I left and went home, and once again I got stopped by the constabulary because I had difficulty walking straight, and I thought, oh no, here we go again, another night in the cells and up before the beak in the morning. Well, luckily the constable was not very interested in me, as he saw somebody drive past at an incredible speed and then crash into a lamppost. So he forgot about me, and I carried on wending my merry way homewards. So, I hope I've given you a wonderful selection of posh vocabulary to use. It's wonderful to be here. If you don't remember, my name is Charles Henry Fortescue, and this is the name of a quality gentleman. So, if you had the slightest bit of satisfaction from this meagre offering, I would beg you on bended knee to consider the slight infinitesimal possibility of just perhaps giving me a rating. I would be most gentle, because then that Alex might ask me to come back again, and I enjoy making videos. So anyway, enough for now. Toodle pip.